They're live now. Hello and welcome everyone to your very own channel blinkX. So we are back with the commodity outlook video for the series of April. If you remember, हम लोग ने पहले session में भी बात की थी, and at that point we had spoken about gold and how gold is rising now. Even silver is following that trajectory. इस session को explain करने के लिए हमारे साथ है Mr. Pranav Mer, who is the Vice President of Currency and Commodity Research at JM Financial Services. As usual, before we begin, I request you all to like and share this video with your friends. Most importantly, get in the comment section and ask your doubts and get them answered by the experts live here on YouTube. So before we start, without further ado, Pranav, I give the floor to you.
Yeah. Thank you, Aditya. Good evening, everyone. This side Pranav Mer here. Aditya has already introduced me to you, to everyone. So before beginning this session, a small disclosure: the commodities which we will be discussing, we might have recommended these commodities to our clients in their positional trades as well as in their intraday trades itself. So they may be having in open positions over here. But personally, I don't have any open positions in any of the commodities and currencies that I have recommended. So today's session, it is, we can say, in continuation to the previous two sessions that we had done last time. It was on the 3 weeks back. We had done this presentation where we had discussed the charts, what is happening onto the charts, how the charts are positioning for bullions, for metals, for energy. We had discussed currencies as well. So we'll discuss one currency pair, USDINR, towards the end of this session. So what else we'll be looking at in this session is how the daily charts are looking at, what are the moving averages telling us. Then we will also look at the weekly chart setup, a long-term chart of the commodities basket. We'll discuss all the commodities that are traded on the exchange counter. So some basic rules that we will look into, before going into the trade, this session ahead. So we'll look into the long-term moving averages. We'll cover the long-term moving averages on daily chart. What these moving averages are indicating. If prices are above all the moving averages, it means that the trend is looking very much positive. If prices are below all the moving averages, it means the trend is negative. And if prices gets stuck between its long-term moving averages, for example, if prices are stuck between 50-day and 100-day moving average, so it is a sideways trend waiting for a clear breakout on the either side. So we call it a consolidation range. Also, along with this, we look at the candlestick patterns, how the prices are, what the formation of the charts, not the type of what type of candle is this. It is a doji or a complete black moving average, black candle. No, we'll just look at the pattern in which prices are moving. So that we'll also look into it. Then we'll look one more indicator. It is RSI, that is the relative strength index. So how much strength that particular script holds when it is going up. So what are the rules of RSI? Last time also we had discussed these rules. RSI above, if it goes above 70, it means the prices have gone into the overbought region. But there are chances that RSI may cross 80 also. It may cross 85 also. So in what happens when this prices go in this region? So we'll look this in today's charts as well. Similarly, if RSI goes below 30, it is in the oversold region. So it means do we have to buy? No, we should wait for a reversal signal, because RSI can go below 20 as well. So we'll look all these parameters when we go into the chart and go ahead and look at the charts of commodities. So we'll start with gold, everybody's favorite. So last time when we were discussing where was gold, it was somewhere around 65,500, 66,000 levels. From there, the prices have rallied to 71,000. So the trend is still looking positive. Last time also we had mentioned, prices are above all their long-term moving average. If you see, the red one is the 50-day, blue one is the 200-day, and the green one is the 200-day. So prices are all above its all moving averages. So this is the first sign the trend is positive. Now, where is the RSI positioned? RSI is positioned at 87, well above 70. So now I had, when we were discussing this, we had mentioned that if RSI goes above 80, we may see some aggressive buying. So this is what it means. It has gone up significantly. Gold has gone up by around 3,500 to 4,000 points despite RSI in the overbought region. So this is what we mean to say. Any reversal as per the RSI, if now RSI again goes below 70, that would be the sign of reversal in trend in gold. Otherwise, bias will remain positive. Now, one more thing that we need to watch out is a breakout from a consolidation. Look at the candle formation. It is continuously forming higher highs, higher lows. At never it has broken its lower lows. So lower lows and higher highs and higher. It has never broken this the higher low, and it is continuously moving up. So this is one more indication that the trend is still very much on the positive side in gold. We'll look this on the weekly charts as well. So this is the weekly chart. Last time we were discussing, it was here somewhere around 3 weeks back. It has already rallied towards 66 and it was going sideways. But look at the candle patterns. It is forming higher highs, higher lows on weekly. This week, again, we have seen a positive opening in gold. This is an indication that the underlying trend bias is still on the positive side. Now, where is RSI positioned here? Again, above 80. It is very well above 70. It went above 70 when it was over here. Then it has continuously moved up and see the price move. So one rule which we need to keep in mind when we take RSI, position with RSI. If RSI goes above 70, don't jump into sell. Once it goes above 70, then if it falls back below 70, that is the ideal level to go for a reverse position. Otherwise, the momentum will continue higher as we see in gold. So what is
Pranav, sorry to interject. Pranav, some of our viewers are requesting if you could mix a little bit of Hindi.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what is the outlook? क्या outlook है? हमने देखा, prices continuously ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हैं. So what is the outlook now for gold? We still maintain a positive view because charts are still indicating a positive view. It is moving as per the charts. चार्ट पे हायर हाई हायर लो फॉर्म कर रहा है डेली पर वीकली पर. आरएसआई भी अभी भी ओवरबॉट अबव 80 है. एग्रेसिव बाइंग आ रही है. हर डिप मिलता है फिर से तेज चलता है ना गोल्ड. सो व्हाट इज द लेवल टू वॉच आउट इन गोल्ड? विल वॉच आउट फॉर सपोर्ट एट 69,000 एंड नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट एट 68,500. ये दो सपोर्ट हम वॉच करेंगे. इफ दिस सपोर्ट्स आर नॉट ब्रीच्ड, avoid selling in gold. Intraday, it is okay. We take a position and square it off before closing. If you are looking for any positional trades, yes, the bias is still on the positive side for gold. 68,500, 69,000 is the strong support. ऊपर में we can expect gold prices to go towards 72,500, 73,000 levels as well. Next, 1 to 2 trading weeks or possibly थोड़ा साइडवेज कंसोलिडेट करके भी ऊपर जा सकता है. देन वी मूव ऑन टू सिल्वर. अब आप सिल्वर का पहले हम वीकली चार्ट देखेंगे. व्हाट इज द वीकली चार्ट इंडिकेटिंग सिल्वर में? लास्ट टाइम व्हेन वी वर डिस्कसिंग, सिल्वर वाज समवेयर अराउंड 72,000, 70 to 3,000, 74,000 के आसपास ट्रेड कर रहा था. नाउ इट इज क्लोज टू 82,000. सो व्हाट इज the big up move in silver? Look at the chart patterns. Continuously going up. हमने एक छोटा correction देखा. Then it has again started going up. So it has also given us a breakout. अगर आप देखोगे, ये 78,000, 78,500 की रेंज थी. Since last 1.5 year इस रेंज पे जाता था. It used to come down sharply. But this time it has broken that range and also has moved above that range. अ गुड इंडिकेशन दैट द ट्रेंड इज वेरी मच पॉजिटिव। अगर डिप मिलता है तो हमें बाय करके चलना चाहिए सिल्वर में। बट what are the support levels that we need to watch in silver? Therefore that we'll go to daily chart. What the daily chart is indicating, trend अभी भी पॉजिटिव है। फर्स्ट सपोर्ट दैट विल बी लुकिंग इज एट 80,000 एंड नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट इज एट अराउंड 77,500। जब तक ये दो सपोर्ट ब्रेक नहीं करता सिल्वर, ज्यादा नीचे नहीं आएगा। इफ वी गेट अ डिप, इट इज अ गुड बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी। नाउ where are the prices placed above all its moving average? Again our ना इंडिकेशन भाई ट्रेंड इज पॉजिटिव, ट्रेंड पॉजिटिव में है। आरएसआई कहां पर है? 85 पर। एग्रेसिव बाइंग हो रही है सिल्वर में, बट इट मींस दैट बायस इज स्टिल पॉजिटिव। ये रिवर्स कब होगा? जब आरएसआई फिर से 70 के नीचे जाएगा, इट दैट वुड बी द रिवर्सल इन ट्रेंड। अदरवाइज इट कैन अगेन कम डाउन क्लोज टू 82, 75। देन आरएसआई अगर फिर से ऊपर चल गया तो ये और तेज चलेगा। सो करेक्शंस आएंगे, इट डजंट मीन कि एक साइड वन साइड जाएगा, वन इट वोंट गो वन साइड। Yes, definitely we will see some correction, but we will utilize those correction as a buying opportunity in silver. So trend in silver very much positive. Support very strong at 80,000, 77,500. Dips should be utilized as a buying opportunity. ऊपर में हम देखते हैं prices can go close to 87,000 and can test 90,000 plus levels also possibly in next couple of months. Next, we will move on to base metal, copper price. Last जब हम copper discuss कर रहे थे, it was hovering around 740 somewhere. हमने जब मार्च में किया था तो वो 750 के आसपास था, 745, 750 के आसपास। See from there कहाँ से कहाँ चल गया copper. It has gone up to 800. It was a breakout above 734, 738 लेवल का जो ब्रेकआउट था, हमने जब डिस्कस किया था इन आवर लास्ट सेशन, हमने बताया था कि ये ब्रेकआउट है। इट कैन रैली टुवर्ड 775, 790 लेवल्स। इट हैज एक्सीडेड अवर टारगेट्स एंड इट इज still going up at trading around 812. So first thing we will look in copper, trading above all its long term moving average, तो एक पॉजिटिव है। आरएसआई कहां पर है? 84 पर, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। अभी भी बायस पॉजिटिव है कॉपर में, ट्रेंड इज स्टिल लुकिंग पॉजिटिव। सेम थिंग वी विल लुक ऑन दी वीकली चार्ट। अभी भी ट्रेंड पॉजिटिव है वीकली पर। सो व्हाट इज वेयर इज द आरएसआई? इट हैज जस्ट मूव्ड अबाउट 70, ओवरबॉट रीजन में गया है आरएसआई। अब हमें ये देखना है कि इस पर सस्टेन करता है कि नहीं। इफ आरएसआई क्लोजेस अबाउट 70 ऑन वीकली चार्ट ऑल्सो, then we may see this rally getting extended further higher. So what is the strategy that we can look in copper? What we can do in copper? Positionally, abhi bhi positive hai. What we will look at the support level. First support that we watch out in copper is at 794, which is last Friday's low. And then next support is at 760. So second support to काफी बड़ा है. So we will look at initial support of 794. जब तक 794 कॉपर ब्रेक नहीं करता, we don't expect any bigger correction in copper price. We expect this price trend, price up move to continue, and we see prices going close to 845, 870 levels also. So then it moves close to its all-time high, which is around 886, 890 levels. तो ट्रेंड अभी भी पॉजिटिव है कॉपर में। 794 इज द स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट दैट वी नीड टू वॉच आउट। अगर ये सपोर्ट ब्रेक कर जाता है तो थोड़ा करेक्शन और आएगा, बट दैट विल बी अगेन अ बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस। देन अगर जब तक 794 होल्ड कर रहा है, वी कैन रिमेन ऑन द बाई साइड एंड कैन लुक फॉर हायर टारगेट्स। नेक्स्ट इज जिंक। सो जिंक, where is the price daily chart showing prices are above all its long term moving average? मोमेंटम अभी भी पॉजिटिव है। अब आरएसआई देखिए यहां पर आप, इट हैज गॉन अबाउ 70, थोड़ा करेक्शन था फ्राइडे को। टुडे इट इज अगेन शोइंग अ रिबाउंड फ्रॉम 70, मतलब आरएसआई 70 से सपोर्ट लेके इट हैज नाउ स्टार्टेड गोइंग अप, यहां से ऊपर लेके जा रहा है। मतलब अगर ये RSI 70 के नीचे क्लोज चला जाएगा फिर से, तो हम जिंक प्राइसेस में करेक्शन एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे। नहीं तो ये जो पॉजिटिव मोमेंटम है ये कंटिन्यू रहेगा एंड इट कैन गो फर्दर अप फॉर हायर टारगेट्स। तो इसी चार्ट को हम वीकली में भी देखेंगे जिंक को। ये देखिए आप, बहुत ही अच्छा चार्ट है। ये कंसोलिडेशन का रेंज है जिंक का, 204 नीचे में, 233 234 ऊपर में। इट इज गोइंग नोवेयर, नो, अ साइडवेज रेंज है। एवरी टाइम इट हैज ब्रोकन दिस 233 लेवल, सस्टेन नहीं करता है, नीचे आ जाता है। 234 तक गया, सस्टेन नहीं किया, नेक्स्ट वीक नीचे आ गया। बट दिस वीक इट हैज गिवन अ ब्रेकआउट। ये ब्रेकआउट है जिंक में, लास्ट वीक का हाई ब्रेक कर गया। इट इज ट्रेडिंग अराउंड 235 इन दी 235 235.50 इन दी मार्केट। द ट्रेंड अभी भी पॉजिटिव है। इट इज, ये ब्रेकआउट का लेवल है, वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट मोर अपसाइड इन जिंक प्राइसेस। RSI कहां पर है वीकली का? 58 पर। तो बहुत रूम है, 70 तक जाने के लिए बहुत रूम है। डेली पे RSI इज शोइंग कि भाई ये तो और पॉजिटिव है। वीकली पे इट इज शोइंग दैट इट इज स्टिल इन द बुलिश जोन। सो व्यू इज remain on the buy side, add at on dips in a staggered manner, because support comes in around 224 is the first support. Next support is at 215. तो डिप मिलता है तो जिंक में हमें बाय करना चाहिए, व्यू बहुत ही पॉजिटिव है। सो व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल टारगेट दैट वी नीड टू लुक इन जिंक? we will look at the difference from 204 का लो to 233 का high. It is 29 points. So we expect zinc prices above 234. It can go close to 250, 260 levels, or 255, 260 levels in short term. Not possible in 2 to 3 trading weeks. Maybe in short term it can go close to those targets, but fresh buying is advised at dips. Next is lead. Lead has moved above all its moving average. It is a very slow moving commodity, we can say, because of the recent rally that we have seen in metals. The lead prices have too started going up, but prices are still above all its moving average. Where is RSI? RSI 70 पर है। हमें वॉच करना है RSI लेड में। इफ इट इज एबल टू क्रॉस एंड सस्टेन 70, then this rally could extend further also. वीकली चार्ट क्या दर्शाता है? इट इज स्टिल इन अ कंसोलिडेशन रेंज, कहीं पर भी नहीं जा रहा है। आप देखो, दिस इज द डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग ट्रेंड लाइन फ्रॉम टॉप, दिस इज द स्ट्रेट लाइन फ्रॉम बॉटम। ओनली वी हैव सीन अ स्मॉल स्पाइक्स बिलो दिस सपोर्ट लाइन, प्राइजेस फिर से ऊपर आके क्लोज हो जाते हैं। सो अंडरलाइंग ट्रेंड अभी भी कंसोलिडेशन है, साइडवेज है। 172 डाउनसाइड में एंड 193 ऊपर में। इफ lead is able to close above 193 this week, ये हफ्ते में, और नेक्स्ट वीक में ये अगर ये हफ्ते का हाई क्रॉस कर जाता है, तो हमें एक रैली मिल सकती है लेड प्राइसेस में देखने की। 205 215 की तरफ जा सकता है। अदरवाइज वी एक्सपेक्ट प्राइसेस टू रिमेन विद इन 172 to 193 लेवल। नेक्स्ट इज एल्यूमिनियम। बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग रैली आई है एल्यूमिनियम में। लास्ट टाइम व्हेन वी वर डिस्कसिंग इट वाज ट्रेडिंग अराउंड 200 203। चार्ट पैटर्न्स वर शोइंग पॉजिटिवनेस। वी हैड आल्सो आस्क्ड टू गो फॉर पोजिशनल लॉन्ग। हमारा मैक्सिमम टारगेट था 215 218 तक, which it has exceeded and gone up to 224 now. So what is the level to watch out in aluminium? First thing we'll look as where is the moving averages. It is trading above all its moving average, so the bias trend positive है। RSI कहाँ है? 84 पर है। No, very well in the above 80 in the aggressive buying zone, तो अभी भी bias positive है। What are the support level to watch out in aluminium? 217.5 is the first support. Next support है 204। तो जब तक 217.50 ब्रेक नहीं करता, व्यू पॉजिटिव रहेगा एल्यूमिनियम में। इट कैन, this rally can be extended towards 232 235 levels also in next 1 to 2 trading weeks. See, this is the weekly chart. लास्ट टाइम हमने जब डिस्कस किया था, इट वाज समवेयर अराउंड 200, 203. इट वाज शोइंग अ साइन ऑफ रिवर्सल. अभी भी इट हैज एक्सीडेड अवर टारगेट ऑफ 220, 250 into 18. नाउ इट हैज अ स्मॉल हर्डल एट 228.10. अगर ये क्रॉस कर जाता है, वी एक्सपेक्ट अवर गिवन टारगेट ऑफ 235, 240 levels in aluminum price. Where is RSI placed? Very close to 70. तो अगर ये 70 के ऊपर सस्टेन कर जाता है RSI, we expect this rally to extend further also. So additional support मिल जाएगा RSI से. क्रूड ऑयल. सो जब हम पिछली बार डिस्कस कर रहे हैं तो क्रूड कहाँ पर था? 6,600, 6,700 के आसपास था. वी वर कंटिन्यूअसली मेंशनिंग ट्रेंड पॉजिटिव है, बाय ऑन डिप 63. आई गेस वी वर मेंशनिंग द सपोर्ट लेवल ऑफ 6340, 6270. वहां से स्टॉप लॉस से वी हैव ऑलरेडी एडवाइज्ड टू गो लॉन्ग. 7,000, 7,200 was our target. We are very well at our target of 7,000, 7,200. Now, first thing we will look in crude now is the position of moving averages. Prices are above all its moving average, so trend very much positive. Where is RSI? RSI is at 71. अगर ये because today it was a gap down opening, ये tilted है downward. अगर crude RSI 70 के नीचे क्लोज होता है आज, and tomorrow if it is continuous again negative crude, then we can expect some correction in crude prices. तो ही हम क्रूड में करेक्शन एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. व्हाट इज द सपोर्ट टू वॉच आउट इन क्रूड? फर्स्ट सपोर्ट इज एट 7,070, which is Thursday's low, and next support at 6890, which is last week's low. जब तक ये दो सपोर्ट क्रूड ब्रेक नहीं करता, करेक्शन नहीं आएगा. This correction should be utilized as a buying opportunity, and it can again start going up close to 7,350, 7,500 levels. See, this is the weekly chart of crude. RSI कहां पर है? अभी भी 61 पर है. So it still has a room to go up. we have always seen एक रैली आती है, उसके बाद कंसोलिडेट करता है, रैली आती है, फिर कंसोलिडेट करता है. Maybe we may see some consolidation in 1 or 2 weeks in crude price, but the trend will not change. Trend is still positive. We expect prices to recover and go up close to 7,350, 7,500 plus levels in upcoming trading sessions. Next is natural gas. Now, यहाँ पर एक चीज मजेदार है, हमने अब तक सारे पॉजिटिव चार्ट्स देखे हैं. दिस इज वन डेली चार्ट विच इज स्टिल शोइंग नेगेटिव. प्राइसेस आप देखोगे तो इट इज ट्रेडिंग बिलो ऑल इट्स मूविंग एवरेज. ट्रेंड अभी भी नेगेटिव है नेचुरल गैस का. साइडवेज है, अगर आप देखोगे कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. लास्ट दो एक्सपायरी से it is just stuck between 130, 35 downside to 160, 165 higher side. कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. Where is RSI placed? At 50, in between है. मतलब क्लैरिटी नहीं है, तेजी होगी या मंदी होगी. इट इज जस्ट साइडवेज है नेचुरल गैस, स्टक इन अ रेंज. ये देखिए कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. दिस इज द वीकली चार्ट ऑफ नेचुरल गैस. RSI अभी भी 50 के नीचे है, 39 पर ट्रेड कर रहा है. The momentum is very much sideways in natural gas as per weekly chart. Only level is 128, 130, which is a long-term support line. यानी 10 साल पुरानी सपोर्ट लाइन है 128, 130 पर. अगर ये सपोर्ट लाइन ब्रेक करके सस्टेन करता है नेचुरल गैस, तो ही इसमें ज्यादा करेक्शन और आ सकता है. अदरवाइज ये साइडवेज रेंज बाउंड होगा. एंड इफ इट इज एबल टू ब्रेक 160 क्रॉस कर जाता है नेचुरल गैस, देन वी सी प्राइसेस, और सस्टेन कर जाता है, देन वी सी प्राइसेस कंटिन्यूइंग दिस रैली. ये पॉजिटिव मोमेंटम बिल्डअप हो जाएगा. इट कैन गो क्लोज टू 200, 230 levels in on the upside. So as I said, we will just cover one currency, which is USDINR in this session. So where is USDINR placed? First thing we will look is it is trading above all its moving average. So bias थोड़ा positive की तरफ है. RSI कहाँ है? It is tilted lower because of this sideways consolidation. 50 के ऊपर है. So थोड़ा और हमें कंसोलिडेशन मिल सकता है यूएसडी आईएनआर में आने वाले सेशंस में. बट इफ आरएसआई गोज बिलो 50 एंड if USDNR breaks below its first support, which is at 100-day moving average, then we can expect more correction. Otherwise, ये consolidation रहेगा. What is the weekly chart showing? It is a rising wedge. थोड़ा sideways है. It is still stuck in that range. 3 हफ्ते पहले हमने एक रैली देखी थी यूएसडी आईएनआर में. इट वेंट अप टू 83.72. वहां से हमने देखा है इट फेल्ड. अब ये देखिए, हमने जिंक में कैसे देखा था, वो ब्रेकआउट आ गया, बट नेक्स्ट कैंडल इस ब्रेकआउट के ऊपर जाना जरूरी है. जिंक में वो ब्रेकआउट हमने ये हफ्ते में देखा है, एंड सो दैट इज व्हाई वी आर पॉजिटिव ऑन जिंक. सेम थिंग यूएसडीएनआर में ब्रेकआउट तो आया था 3 हफ्ते पहले, बट नेक्स्ट वीक इटसेल्फ वी सॉ गैप डाउन, तो प्राइस फिर से उसी रेंज में चले गए. अगर ये ब्रेकआउट के ऊपर प्राइस खुल जाता 83.75 83.80 क्रॉस कर जाते, तो ये आज 84.50 85 की तरफ यूएसडी आईएनआर होता. बिकॉज इट फॉल बैक, सो द रेंज रिमेन्स बिटवीन 83 downside to 83.70 75 on the higher side. So this is all from our side, on to the what has been happening on the trend side in in commodities and into the currency space. We'll open this forum for Q&A. If anybody has any questions, any queries, you can ask.
Thank you so much, Pranav, for that insightful session. I will take some questions. Just give me a minute. So, one person is asking, we've already discussed the price of gold, so I will ignore this question. How does delivery of physical gold work?
The physical delivery, first thing is you need to keep the positions open in your account, trading account. In last 5 trading days, exchange starts marking delivery in a staggered manner. No.
Okay.
So what does it mean? You maybe mark the delivery randomly. So you need to inform the RMS team, keep the full amount, not the margin amount, the full amount of gold. For example, if gold is currently at 71,000, you need to have 71 lakh plus the amount for taxes and everything. So you need to have that amount in your account before taking the delivery of gold. The gold, once the contract expires, exchange will mark the delivery, after which the pay-in payout process happens on a T+1, T+2 basis, where the payout will go out from your money, will go out from your account, and the gold will come to your account. So how will gold come to your account is, there is a in equities, like you have a demat. In commodities, we have ComRisk, which is managed by MCX, MCX Clearing Corporation. So you need to open a ComRisk account. You will be able to see that gold in the e-form. Like demat, we have the shares in the electronic form. The gold will be in electronic form. The actual gold will be either at warehouse, at which is located at Ahmedabad, which is the main warehouse. There are additional warehouses at Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai. So wherever the seller is, you have to accept that gold. You can keep it in electronic form, give back the delivery on the exchange counter. Also, important thing, the client needs to have the GST number of wherever the seller is, to claim the GST benefit. If the seller is from Ahmedabad, then he has to have the Gujarat GST number. So that is important, which one needs to keep in mind for taking delivery in gold. Okay. And also, if you want to take the delivery out of the exchange warehouse, yes, that is also possible. But you should note one thing: once you take the delivery out of the exchange warehouse, you won't be able to give it back to the exchange. So that is the condition with it.
Okay, और ये सिर्फ gold के लिए नहीं, ये this is for all.
Yeah, that is applicable for all the process is applicable for all commodities. The warehouse में रखने के charges भी होते हैं. You can keep it in the warehouse, like we keep gold in the bank locker. This is similar locker where you can keep it in the warehouse. जब भी आपको delivery देनी है after 2 months, 1 month, 3 year, you can keep it in warehouse, pay the warehouse charges and give back the delivery. वापस delivery देनी है तो sell position खड़ी कर दीजिए futures में, wait till the last day of expiry. वही प्रोसेस रिपीट होगा जो पे इन पे आउट का हुआ था। अब आपका गोल्ड पे आउट में चला जाएगा और पे इन में पैसा आ जाएगा।
ओके। ओके। अगला क्वेश्चन है कि कमोडिटी ट्रेडिंग में कितना लेवरेज मिलता है?
सी, द मार्जिन इज समवेयर अराउंड 10 to 12%। सो 71 lakhs का गोल्ड अगर आपको उसमें 10 to 12% में मिलता है, मतलब अगर आप एवरेज मार्जिन अप्रोक्सीमेटली आप 10% पकड़ लो, तो आपको 10 times हो गया लेवरेज आपका। 71 lakhs का
करेक्ट।
पोजीशन आपको 7,10,000 में मिल रहा है।
करेक्ट। करेक्ट। ओके, वाह, तो मतलब काफी बड़ा लेवरेज मिलता है कमोडिटी।
Yeah, that is a bigger leverage. So that is why some people consider commodities trading as a little bit on the riskier side. But if traded very well in a proper manner with stop loss, with potential, with targets, definitely one can earn from it.
I think it is crucial to make sure that you exit your position if you do not have the capital.
No, yes, avoid holding in losses. So
Yeah.
what generally the traders do, they book small profits, but they hold for a longer loss.
हाँ, right.
Always maintain a ratio. If you are, if your ratio is कि I want to earn 100 points, then your stop should also be of 100 points. 1:1 is a good ratio.
Right. Right. We have a few comments where people are appreciating you, sir. And one fine. Okay, yes, we have one question. So what are brokerage charges in commodity trading?
Brokerage varies from broker to broker, location to location. So the I cannot comment on what we can offer or we are offering the brokerages, because there are discount brokers also available in the market, and I'm not the right person to charge respond regarding the brokerage. But if you want to know the brokerage, that GM and everything, you can leave your number. Somebody will connect you back. I'm not the right person to discuss or comment on the brokerage part here.
Yes,
If you have
definitely.
any,
Yes.
yeah, if you have
The
any questions
viewers
pertaining
can
to research,
always reach us to on our social
yes,
media and everything, and we will have someone from the team get back to you and answer all your doubts. So, तो आज के लिए फिर इतने ही questions है प्रणव. Thank you so much, Pranav, for your time, and thank you so much, viewers. Make sure to stay connected with blinkX. Follow us on all our social media channels and stay connected for such relevant market information. Pranav, we will see you next month for the next month's outlook. Thank you so much for your time.
sure, sure. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming today. Thank you.